Hi guys, Con here. Today I'm in the Perodua plant, and do you remember this car? This is the Perodua Nautica, and here's a little fact. Do you know that there are only 200 of these cars ever sold? So yeah, this is rare shit, you know. Only 200 were ever made. Okay guys, so as we all know, the Nautica was launched I think in about what, 2008 I think. So it was based on the Toyota Rush, and this car was interestingly enough, okay, at that time the Rush was of that generation, was sold in Malaysia, that was fully imported from Indonesia. The Nautica here was fully imported as well, but from Japan, right? And I remember that time, 2008, it was before I became a motoring journalist, and I went to the showroom for a test drive. I test drove this car, I test drove the Rush, and at that time I felt, my impression was that actually the Nautica was a better built car than the Rush, no joke. So so this car arrived almost fully built up from Japan, except for the front bumper. So the car arrived, okay, without the fully built up, but without the front bumper. So the front bumper is fitted locally here at Perodua, and I still remember at that time I read Motor Trader, okay, written by my good friend Uncle Chips, and he commented, you know, in his article that this the amazing part about the Nautica's quality was how Perodua was able to seamlessly match the paint of the body, which was painted in Japan, with the bumper that was made and painted locally in Malaysia. So that was a pretty fantastic bit of quality there of the car. And the Nautica was 5-seater. The Rush at that time was 7-seater. So the Rush would have been longer at the back. Okay, so here's a look inside. Okay, dashboard is the same as the Rush. Okay, apologies for the reflection. Let me try and get it from the other side. Yep, so here's the inside of the Nautica. And yeah, also one more thing, the Nautica was all-wheel drive. All right, the Rush at that time was rear-wheel drive. So these cars, they were built on something of a leather platform, right? Leather frame, not fully monocoque. Yeah, so longitudinal engine configuration. Nautica was 4-wheel drive, Rush was rear-wheel drive. Okay, so yep, this is the Perodua Nautica, guys. Very rare, super rare stuff. Only 200 units were ever made and sold. So at that time, this car was selling for about 89,000 ringgit. At that time, a lot of people were saying, oh, that's too much money to pay for a Perodua. But if you think of it, right, 89,000 ringgit, if you look back, 89,000 ringgit for a limited run car with only 200 units ever made, that's special, isn't it? Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like my content, click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon to toggle the frequency of updates every time I upload a new video. And don't forget also to check out the channels of Bobby, Bing and Fadil, okay, of the Horizon team. And until my next video, thanks for watching. Bye for now.